Hey, what's going on, guys? I just wanted to show you something. If you ever plan on redoing your bathroom or laying tile on, take the old stuff off. Please, take the old stuff off. Now the good thing about it is this stuff is actually pretty easy coming up. But let me show you this crap. This is one of the reasons why I tell you to take that shit off. There's 1, 2, 3 layers of tile on here. And let me do a nice little close-up of that. Yeah, look at that. That's freaking disgusting. When you put new tile over your old tile and you don't clean it, number one, it's not going to stick. Well, number one, it's stupid. Number two, it's not going to stick. And number three, any bacteria, any freaking crap that you left on the freaking floor and you cover up is just going to stay in there. And I can't even tell you what the smell I'm getting from that shit. It's freaking disgusting. That is freaking disgusting. So I just wanted to show you that real quick. Don't do that crap. Don't be putting freaking this bullshit over this bullshit. And then on top of that bullshit. It's freaking disgusting. But I got the tub out. Had the plumbers out here, they put the valve in. You can't put any of this stuff in because the plumbers are actually going to put all that stuff in. So, good on them. The only bad thing about it is I'm not going to be able to put the door on today. I was hoping they'd have it done today, but not. But, no worries. But I just wanted to show you guys that. That's just freaking disgusting, man. I feel like I need to be in a freaking hazmat suit to rip all this shit up. Alright guys, I'm going to get back to tearing this bullshit out. And then we're going to do it right. Alright? Take it easy, guys. Peace.